In this video, we're going to demonstrate another method of reusing content in your proposal kit. In this situation, we're going to show you creating a proposal for a services project. And then in this case, we're going to make a clone or a complete copy of that last project for your next client. This is a situation where you might have created a proposal in the past for one client, and you know that past proposal is close enough to your next client that you just want to go find that project, make a copy of it, and just do a quick edit on the document and not have to assemble a whole new proposal from scratch. We're going to illustrate this video using our decorator number 3 design theme with the idea that this is a proposal for interior decorator services. So we have our decorator 3 design theme loaded here. And we're going to create the first proposal normally by creating a document project. And we have an interior decorator example already in the proposal kit we can use. All right, so our initial proposal is going to have these 15 pages. It's going to be created in the decorator 3 design theme, and it's going to pull in the content from our interior decorator example. We have our company data filled in. We'll fill in the client data. Now we save the project and we're going to build the first proposal. Okay, now our first document has been generated. And you'll see the original sample content's all been pulled in. So let's just assume that we've filled this in, we've done some custom editing, and this is our final version that we're going to use for the next proposal instead of going through the generation process. So we'll just close this project. Now every time you create a document project, it creates a folder on your hard drive for all the documents for that project. So what we're going to do in this case, we'll go back to the document project screen, and we'll just select our past proposal. This is the name we gave the last project. And instead of saying add new project like we'd normally do and go through the whole generation process and creating a new document, we're just going to highlight our past proposal and we're going to click the clone selected project button. And we'll just change the title. And notice it's going to give it a new folder. We're going to leave this checked because we're also going to clone all the documents in that project in addition to the wizard cloning the database settings. Now it's made a copy. Now you see we have 2 projects in the Wizards database. Now to edit this proposal, we have our current project is the clone copy, number 2. Just go to button 4, edit current project, and you'll see the folder it's working from is our number 2, and this is the copy. So now we can just do some minor editing to this copy for the new client, and we are done. So that is how you use this feature for reusing content when you have a past project you want to simply make a complete second copy of. Let us know what you think in the comments below, and click subscribe to keep up on the latest proposal writing tips with Proposal Kit.